Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas week 1. You guys, I decided to do Vlogmas in like a weekly format, vlogging throughout my week and then uploading at the end of the week. I just know my capabilities, and vlogging, editing, and uploading a video every single day is not in them. So we're doing Vlogmas weeks. It is Sunday, it is December 1st. A new week, a new month, all on the same day. It just scratches my brain, right, to be honest. So I'm getting ready for church. It is 9:27. I'm running very late actually. Church starts at 10, but I already have like my outfit and stuff figured out. So I just have to speed rush my makeup routine. My only plans for today are church, cleaning my room, and then getting my last homework assignments done that are due today. I also think I'm gonna head to the grocery store and get some Christmassy kind of treats. I want to get ingredients so that I can make my Christmas flavored coffees and stuff like that. So that is what I'm doing after church. I just got back from Thanksgiving trip with my boyfriend's family yesterday. I haven't been home in a long time because I went to Vegas right before that for F1. So it's very nice to be home because I just am wiped, like literally absolutely wiped. I just got this Merit bronzing stick and I love it so much. It is so nice. But I'm very excited to do Vlogmas in this weekly format instead of daily format. I've always liked Vlogmas, but I tried to do it last year and I was not okay. So literally, I didn't even think I finished Vlogmas. I think I got like 3 videos in and was exhausted from filming and uploading every single day. I could not do it. It was not in the cards for me this year at all. I'm gonna be so late. Okay, that's cute and North. It's cute and North. I'm done with that. My hair looks so much more blonde. I don't know why. Trying this for the first time, not right now, but I just got this a couple days ago and I love it. I feel like I almost might love it more than Rhode. Don't come for me. Let me go straighten my hair real quick and then I gotta put on my dress and go. I'll come back to you when the whole outfit is done. I just got back from church. Why does this feel like it's so zoomed in? Just got back from church. Church was phenomenal. I had a jacket on over this, but I took it off because it's kind of warm outside today. I just got a burrito. So I'm gonna eat lunch and then you can kind of see in the background. So I'm gonna work on cleaning today because I have to refresh my space because it's the beginning of a new month and I'm gonna start off this month productive, on top of things, planning things, uploading videos, disciplined, self-control and discipline. But I'm gonna be eating a burrito. Let me give you a little burrito tour. Oh my gosh. You also have to pair it with hot sauce. This is hitting. With a Diet Dr. Pepper cream soda edition. The best flavor. Let's go decorate the Christmas tree. Just got out of the shower. I'm gonna do my skincare and I'm also gonna try this overnight sock curl tutorial. We're gonna see how it goes. Overnight curls don't work for me. This is the one I'm gonna try. It looks kind of challenging, but we're gonna try and see how it goes. I have astigmatism, so my eye can turn a little when I don't have contacts or glasses in. Just bear with me. We all have our flaws. And then my hair is a little bit damp, so this actually might work out well. Let's see, I'm kind of intimidated. Oh guys, I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, this might be the correct strategy. I'm about to lose it. This feels overstimulating. Okay, I think we got one. I'm gonna do the rest of my head, then cry, and then I will come back and cry some more and complain some more. It feels like it's gonna go well, but I feel like I'm gonna wake up and it's gonna be like But you guys are gonna see with me, so we'll see. Where'd the sock go? I lost a sock somewhere in the night, and I don't know where it went. Okay, since the front side fell out, I just curled a couple of these strands real quick. So hopefully the others match it. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna start in the back. Ooh, she's looking a little crunchy. Not bad. Ooh, okay. Okay, that looks good. This is the big reveal. This is the make or break. Okay, let's see. Oh, hello. What happened here? That's my question. What happened here? Okay, it's really not bad. I need to figure out how to tame this situation. I've had more success with this one than I've had with any other so far. Guys, I'm like actually kind of impressed. I'm gonna fix some pieces for sure with my curling iron, but like it's not bad. Hi guys, it is Saturday, December 7th. I am going to try and upload my Vlogmas week 1 today, but I figured I needed to include my Christmas decor room tour because I decorated a while ago and I was so excited that I completely forgot to film the whole thing. So I just need to go ahead and show you my decorations because they're so cute. Also, my Christmas nails. It's all coming together. The Christmas spirit is alive and well here. Let me show you guys my room. I think I will do a little bit in depth where things are from and try to link things down below, or at least link similar things down below because I don't know if I'm gonna know where everything's from. Okay, starting off my door, it has these little ribbons on behind it because actually, bow. But here's my purses and my little pickleball stuff that I have hung up. This is my calendar, all ready for December, a sweet note from my boyfriend. Then this is my bathroom. I love having my own bathroom. I know it looks kind of dark. Let me turn on the lights. But these lights are so bright, so I hardly ever actually have them on because they're just so bright. So I use this light a lot from Amazon. This is my bathroom. I just recently got my own bathroom because we're in a new room, so I'm very happy about that. I have these two rugs, these two bath rugs from Home Goods. And this is my little sink. Here's me. I have this cute print that used to be up in my room. Put it down here because I thought it would add a cute touch. We actually painted all the walls and stuff when I moved into this room. But this is my sink setup. I love it. I love that I can put all my makeup on this countertop. Here I have my toothpaste, glasses, contacts and stuff. And I have my cute little tree. I think this is technically supposed to be a Christmas soap dispenser, but I will be keeping it year round because the little bows are so cute. Toothbrush. I have this medicine cabinet. This is ancient, so it looks a little bit rough. I promise it has been scrubbed, but it's from the 70s, so it is not in good condition. We need to replace it, but I have a lot of my products and stuff up there. Then moving on to my shower area, I have my toilet in here too. I literally just got done with these today. That's why I was waiting to film my room tour because I wanted to have these shelves up. But I have these shelves in, these little hooks from Amazon, and my dad just stained and sanded this wood for me. So up here I have extra towels. I have this cute candle that I got from Marshall's as well. Two little Christmas trees from Target. And I have have some extra essentials, stuff that I need in here, as well as my lotion, my body mist, just some like room spray. I actually did a video doing all of my ribbons, and I love this little touch. It's so cute. Let me show you guys. I put some eucalyptus so it smells good when I shower, and then I just have all my products over there. Also installed this curtain rod and these hooks from Amazon as well. An overview of my room. It was literally so bright about 2 seconds ago, but it's okay. I'm still gonna show you. This is my getting ready area. I have this chair and blanket from Home Goods. Then I have more Christmas decoration. I believe these are also from Target. My makeup bag, Alexa, I'm about to trigger her. Makeup brushes. This mirror from Amazon that I got last Christmas. I love it to do my makeup in. Then this area is so cute. I just have this little slab from when we were doing our kitchen. We got this marble sample, and I turned it into like a cute little platter to put my jewelry on, this little comb, my favorite perfume. Then I have some lippies in here with my little hair clip, and then these two candles I really like. They are battery powered, so they do turn on, but they're very difficult to turn on. This is my favorite part of my whole room. This is my closet. I love having a big closet. I had a really tiny closet before and a dresser, and it was filled to the brim. So now I don't even need a dresser anymore. I can literally just fit all my clothes in here. So I have all my jackets and sweaters and stuff up there, shoes, purses, all my t-shirts, tank tops, and like crop tops and stuff. Pants. I love that I could display all my hats up here. I have some jewelry, accessories, some of my little favorite shoes over there, some hats on display. Then up here I have all my hoodies, crew neck sweatshirts. In here I have like extra towels and like miscellaneous stuff like sheets. These I have in here because I literally can't stand when people steal my food, so I put my little Trader Joe's Pop-Tarts up here. Then all up here is all stuff I don't want people to see. Like I want it to be hidden and hiding. So it's like pajamas, workout clothes, stuff like that. This is my desk. This is where I do all my work. So I have my like get ready with me desk. Then I have my work desks. I have a little tree, coffee I was drinking earlier, this little bird that my dad got me from Target, I believe, water bottle. These are all the books I'm reading right now. So it's obviously my Bible, journals that I have, Case for Christ, my candle. I got these candles from Michael's, 3 for $9, you guys, and they smell so good and last forever. This one is butterscotch brulee. It smells heavenly. Then this is my notepad. This is why I get things done. Computer, Kindle, my phone. And then this is my bed. This is my cozy bed. These are all my stuffed animals. I have more under my bed, trust me. Blanket is from Home Goods. This comforter that I use is so comfy. This is from Costco or Sam's Club, I think, and it came with these pillowcases. Then moving over here, I have my bookshelf. These are my favorite decorations over here. So I have my bookshelf, all my books, and then up here I have some garland, my Harry Potter candles that I put in here. I have this little like village little house setup, I guess. These are all from Target. I got them in the dollar section last year, and they are so cute, but I don't know if they're there again this year. Then I collect angels. So I've had this little angel snow globe. I was really young, so it just plays joy to the world, and it's so cute. But ever since, I've collected angels. So I have all my angels here. This was literally from my first Christmas. More angels down there. So I just love my bookshelf, and it's so cute. Here's my Christmas tree. I love my Christmas tree so much. I have my stocking. Then over here I have my clothing rack. These are mostly just jackets that I wear, an occasional sweater, but I also have my skirt hanging up. I like having these little patterns showing. And then these are both of my scarves that I just got from Princess Polly. And then down here I have some of my favorite shoes that are just cute that I like to have on display. Then my mirror, where all the mirror pics happen. I love this mirror. I think it is from Target, but I cannot remember. My mom got it for me. But this is my room. So cozy, so comfy. I love it for the holidays. It is so comfortable. I'm so grateful to have my own space. That was Vlogmas week 1. I know I kind of stopped filming like Wednesday through Friday. I seriously didn't have anything going on except work. I like worked every single day and came home and did finals and homework and stuff. I didn't really film much, so I apologize for that. Because finals and this semester is coming to a close, so hopefully I get to do more fun stuff instead of homework. Thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas week 1, and I will see you next week for Vlogmas week 2. Bye!